WSH fencing, night school, right? Night school. This is WSH fencing. You'll see this is the Newmains job, right? The Newmains double gates. That wood's over there getting cut. You'll see we've all worked out what we're doing. The pins, the torrents, right? The sidebar. This is what we do. You can do this in a bit of paper. But this is a great thing we've come across and we're going to use to its full potential. You with me? Why throw something like this away when we can use it? We can use it at WSH fencing. So our gap was 108, it was 9 feet and half an inch. So that's 108 inch total. So what you do is this, your pins and your tolerance for your turning to give you a 90-degree turn, 9 inch, then your tolerance an inch, then your side bar, quarter an inch times 2 is half inch. You do your total 10 and a half. There it's all there, you see. And we'll make 2 gates at that, 49 with 71 high, right? Then we come to the wheelie bin gate at the side. That's a different ball game. So what about 72 inch high, 39 inch wide. But that's a different type of gate from that. And you'll see that all on the day, by the way. Then we go Newmains Part 2. So what I'll do is, see Sunday or Monday, I'll give you a wee update with the plans for those gates. This is me starting this one there. Look, there's a Rachel and Frederick working overtime tonight. Look, they're quiet tonight. And he's cock-a-doodle-doo! Right, this is the back of one of the gates we're doing. That's it, clamped and glued. We've started the process with all the wood there. Get them done, get them out, get them to your steels to get the metal frames. This is not going to be a metal frame. This is something different. And you'll quite like this, by the way. And they're all going to have the black frame. The black frame, wait, I'll just put that down so you all know. Black frame. Spelling that wrong, right? And you in the front be quiet. You see, that's what it's like at the school, isn't it? Right? And they're all going to be painted grey. Now, see any of my followers out there? See I'm even breaking the chalk. See any of my followers out there could use, because I'm going to show you something, right? This is what used to happen. All Gilmer at the school used to do with the school. It's a bit big, this, right? He'd have a chalkboard. Mind the chalkboard. So if anybody can get me a chalkboard, please get me. Because what he used to do, he would lift it and see if you were talking, he would just go and throw at you. And hit you with it. That's what he used to do. But I can't do that now because it's not PC. Imagine me doing that with the cockroach. You'd throw them back, wouldn't you? So there you go, folks. That gives you an idea how from start to finish, what we do with the gates and what we do to work them out to get everything correct and ticky-boo. The bother is this, KFK, if you can't count, this is irrelevant, because on the day that's got to work. So she's all there for a Friday night, and I'm going back to the drawing board, back to the drawing board. She's there and keep following. Who did I have to say hello to? I had to say hello to somebody the other day there. Hello, see you later.